We're going to go first to Kim St. Ange, who's following new warnings from the federal government about the outbreak. Kim.
Sam, right now, Missouri is getting pretty close to 300 positive cases. Expanded testing is happening at BJC right behind me and many other metro hospitals. But tonight, experts say widespread testing needs to begin as soon as possible. That as the White House's experts are issuing new warnings. Tonight, as America's coronavirus fight only grows, new warnings and requests. One dealing with air travel.
You may have been exposed.
White House Coronavirus Task Force member Dr. Deborah Birx saying if you've recently left New York, you need to be in self-quarantine for 14 days.
About 56% of all the cases in the United States are coming out of that metro area, and 60% of all the new cases are coming out of the metro New York area.
Right now, Illinois remains among the top states for confirmed cases. Missouri is in the middle of the pack. But Dr. Anthony Fauci says areas like St. Louis now play a critical part in helping stop the spread.
The areas of the country that are not hotspots, that are not going through the terrible ordeal that New York and California and Washington State are going through, they still have a window of a significant degree of being able to contain. In other words, when you test, you find somebody, you isolate them, you get them out of circulation, and you do the contact tracing. When you have a big outbreak, it's tough to do anything but mitigation.
Those warnings and requests come as the president aims to open the U.S. up again, stopping social distancing.
Easter is a very special day for many reasons, and what a great timeline this would be.
You can look at a date, but you've got to be very flexible.
Just 19 days away from the president's target date, other doctors say.
I do think we're really at the beginning of this epidemic.
Dr. Tom Englesby with Johns Hopkins Center for Health Security stresses the U.S. is uncharted territory.
In a normal flu season, we don't have people overflowing into hospitals. We don't have so many people that we don't have enough ventilators for them. So I think we need to make sure that everyone understands that this is a very unusual event. This does not look like seasonal flu.
There is some news tonight about getting more tests. FEMA tonight saying it's actually getting some of these kits from the private sector. So far, some 60,000 have been secured. The Defense Production Act is working to get even more. Live in the Central West End, Kim St. Ange, News 4.